N8N Facebook. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, go to the N8N website. On the top right, click Sign In. Once logged in, click Create Workflow. Inside the workflow page, click the plus icon in the center. You can select Manually Trigger. Click the plus icon next to it and search for Facebook API. When a menu trigger appears, go to Credentials, then click Create New Credential. You will need an access token. To get one, go to Meta Business Suite. On the bottom left, click Settings, then Find Apps, and click Open an App Dashboard. Search for Marketing API and click Setup. In the left menu, go to Tools. Choose permissions like Ads_Management, Read_Insights. Select Ads_Management, click Get Token, then copy the token. Return to N8N and paste the token, then click Save. Next, configure the host URL. Choose HTTP request type, get, post, delete. Set your Graph API version, define node and edge. You may add optional fields. Then go to Settings to configure the trigger behavior.